Hello, welcome back to another. Guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to create bullet points in Microsoft Word. This guys very easy and very simple method to create a bullet point in Microsoft Word. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. First, open Microsoft Word and go it insert, and here you can see the table. Just click on it and select your requirement, and here type you what you have to type. Then you can see this type of interface you can see in your desktop. You can select it like this, and you in top you can see this home option. Just click on it, and here you can see this option, create a bullet list. Click the arrow to change the look of a bullet. Just you need click on this cross, and you can see so much. Just you need to click on it again, select all, then arrow, and click on it. Same in this row, select all, then click on here, click on arrow, then click on this. This guys very easy and very simple method to create a bullet points in Microsoft Word. Guys, if you have any doubts or you have any problem, please comment me. I try my best to solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Visit again guys. Thanks for watching.